To change system navigation on Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is go into the settings. From here, scroll all the way down and go for the system and update. And right here we can find system navigation. So let's go in there. And here is where we can change the system navigation. And here we simply have to select gestures. And we can also learn gestures. If you don't know how to navigate through the phone using this type of system navigation, you simply have to press this learn button. Or in case you did not do it, actually you can here learn these gestures, and here are the visuals of how to use it and tutorials basically how to do this. And here are also some other options, like for example hide gesture guide bar, as you can see, and here it will also disable some options, but anyways, here are the gestures, and here you can also switch to buttons, and here are less options actually. Here's the circle to search or digital assistant from Google, and we also have the button layout, as you can see. But basically that's how to change these change the system navigation.